First of all, I want to thank Terlochan Uncle because when I came to Punjab in 1994 to study, he was there. He worked to build a beautiful school for us, Miri Piri Academy, and made all our studies possible. And I want to thank the Delhi Gurdwara Committee because since I was a young boy, I used to come here and feel so much love and so at home in your Gurdwara, and you've really touched us and inspired us. And the seva you did during COVID, that you served all people, that really touched us as well all over the world. All Sikhs had to look to Delhi, how should we behave in a crisis, and you've set a beautiful example for us. So thank you for that. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Of course, we went to Warsaw to bring food into Ukraine. The Sangat in the United States learned that there was a food shortage, so we did what we could. We mobilized, as you mobilized here. And we learned then that Guruji Sanchia were left in Odessa. Of course, like any Sikh would, like I learned at Miri Piri Academy, any Sikh would go immediately to get our link to God. It's not a complicated question. It's not a matter of courage. It's every Sikh's duty. The problem was I have a German passport, so I can freely go in and out of Ukraine. Other people would be stopped at the border. So very quickly, the job fell to me, the huge blessing and seva fell to me. And then I took permission of Bibi Indrajit Kaur, Harbhajan Singh Yogi's wife, and she said, go. We took a hukamnama. Guruji said, Bolo Ram Ram, and all borders will fall. So anytime we got in a difficult situation, we said Ram, 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 and everything became possible. This was not a difficult journey. It was a journey of love and a journey of blessing. So we, with some help from the Ukrainian civilian defense forces and more help from the UK military, where we have hundreds of Sikh soldiers, we went there. At the time, the bombardment of the beach had started. So it was looking like Odessa could fall. And we just, with a lot of love, went. We brought some medicine for the people. We have to remember, you can call us courageous for going, but there are people stuck there who have to endure the bombardment in the basement. They're running out of medicine. They're running out of food. We brought some food. First, we went 2 countries, driving, switched vehicles sometimes, and then found the Gurdwara. It was left in beautiful shape. Everything was fully intact. And then we did a 3-day journey to go there and home, and the Sangat in Luton so beautifully received the Sanchia. And Luton Airport, London. And when you see, as a Gursikh, the face of the Sangat, when Guruji is being retrieved from a war zone, now that's the most beautiful thing you'll see in your life. The Shabad, how much Gurbani is written about our soul's desire to meet our Guru. Mera man lo chahe Guru darshan thai. And so when you see, when I came back and you see the face of the Sangat receiving the Guru, that's the most beautiful thing in the world. And so much love was there and respect for our Guru Granth. But ki one complaint I have. There is some element ki this is surprising. Ek Gora Sikh Ukraine te gaya, and he did that. Why is there any difference? Stop calling us separate. I was born a Sikh. Harbhajan Singh Yogi's community is in its 4th and 5th generation. Our children and our grandchildren will consider it normal that there are Sikhs all over the world. In China, in South Africa, in Brazil, in Germany, USA, everywhere. We're the last generation who can say, Nava Sikhaya. That part of our history is over. We're here together now. Any differences we have to connect that bridge with love for Gurbani and love for seva of all people. And that's my request. Let's look forward as a Panth, and let's look forward hand in hand. And let's receive each other with love like you're receiving me with love today. Receive every new Sikh this way, because they've come to share and love for Gurbani with you. That I think we can do together. Now that's our job. But don't be so surprised anymore. Any of you would have gone, how many people gave their lives in Sikh history? So this was nothing. Only a journey of love.